Welcome to physics class. In this video, you can find the solution for GATE Physics 2020. Question 42. Consider the circuit given in the figure. Let the forward voltage drop across each of the diodes 0.7 volt. The current I in milliampere through the resistance. So they have given a circuit and they have said that the voltage drop across each of the diodes is 0.7 and they have asked us to find what is the current in milliampere. So we can find answer for this question by using Kirchhoff's voltage law. That is, the algebraic sum of voltage around a closed loop must be 0. So if we apply Kirchhoff's voltage law for the given circuit, we will be having minus 10.1 volt plus IR, and they have given voltage drop across each of the diodes is 0.7. So as 3 diodes are there, we will be having 0.7 plus 0.7 plus 0.7 equal to 0. Then we will be having IR is equal to 8. In the question they have given R value is equal to 1000 ohm. So I is equal to 8 milliampere. Question number 45. A plane electromagnetic wave of wavelength lambda is incident on the circular loop of conducting wire. The loop radius is A, which is very much less than lambda. The angle made by the pointing vector with the normal to the plane of the loop to generate a maximum induced electrical signal is. So in this question, they have given a circular loop of conducting wire on which an electromagnetic wave of lambda incident on it. And the radius of the loop is A, that is very much less than the incident wavelength lambda. And they have asked, and the electromagnetic wave induces an electrical signal in the loop. And they have asked at what angle the pointing vector will make with the plane so that the electrical signal that is generated have a maximum value. We know that pointing vector has a formula S vector is equal to 1 divided by mu naught E vector cross B vector. That is 1 by mu naught E vector B vector sin theta. So it is obvious from here that the pointing vector has a maximum value only when theta value is either 90 or minus 90 degree. So answer for this question is 90 degree. Please subscribe the channel. If you have any queries, please write in the comment section.